Hi everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to tag photos in Facebook. So for that, first of all, you open your Facebook application and get logged in into your account. Now once you open the Facebook page, I will show you how to tag a photo before you post it. For that, you need to tap on what's in your mind text box. From there, you choose photos or videos. Select a photo that you want to post. So this is how it will look before you post a picture. For you to tag someone on this picture, you need to tap on the profile icon with a tag beside it. Tap that. Now from here, you will be able to add friends or tag your friends on this picture. For that, you just tap and select them. And then you go back. This way, that tag has been made and you can tap on post over here on the top. Once you post that, your friends will be posted in this post of Facebook that you have just recently made. There you can see the name of the people that you have tagged. So this is how you can tag a photo before you post it. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.